guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all today? Oh my god, I am barefaced wearing a kurti and it's not ironed, so you can see a lot of like silver stain on it. I don't have the iron right now. It's literally in the other room and my mom is living there. I cannot go there, she will kill me. So I'd rather work like this than go and get killed by her. So that is that. So let us quickly jump into the video because this video is going to be literally a little long, and if you hear somebody playing PUBG, it's my sister sitting there playing. So yeah, you can hear her throughout. Right? So let's just get into the video. Let's go. I want to address this hair. I'm actually experimenting with braids, like curling my hair using braids. That is what I'm exactly doing. So let's see at the end of the video where it takes me. Starting up with a primer. This is a primer from Blue Heavens and I do not have any other primer, so we are bound to work with this. And see, the problem is I am still in quarantine and I do not have much makeup. I've been saying this literally throughout every video that I'm still in quarantine with limited makeup, and I'm trying to make my ends meet with this stuff. Till this primer actually settles into the face, we will move into the eyebrows, and I'm using the one from Miniso. I've been actually loving this recently. I'm using it literally every day, and I need to find my mirror. So yeah, let's do the eyebrows, and let me quickly do that because there's literally nothing new in that. Blending it at the same time so that it does not look harsh. Okay, so I think our eyebrows are done and good, so we can move ahead into the foundation and stuff. I'm using the Garnier BB Cream, and I am going to take it at the back of my hand a little bit. It's not a little bit though, but this cream like dissolves into your skin, so it couldn't like pop through that much. And also taking the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and mixing it with the BB Cream. The reason why I'm doing so is because this foundation is very matte and it makes my skin extremely dry, and the BB Cream will actually balance out the dryness portion. I believe this is the first time I'm doing this experiment and I hope it just works. I absolutely love the fragrance of this BB Cream. It's really nice. So I'm actually rolling it first on the face so that the sponge does not absorb like a lot of foundation, and then we are just going to blend it into the skin and make it look seamless. Okay, I think the face looks flawless so far, and we shall now move into a concealer, and I'm using this one from PAC Take Cover Concealer. What is happening? And I am just going to take like a little bit over here. This concealer has a good coverage, and of course on the eye as a base to my eyelid, because I do not own an eyeshadow primer, a little bit over this area. Basically I take this concealer everywhere where I feel I need sort of like a little color correcting, because this concealer is more on a very near to my skin tone kind of shade, so I do like that. And let's just blend this. Right. So that is a good layer of concealer, and just to conclude the highlighting portion of the concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in shade 120. The shade of the PAC concealer was number 3 Butterscotch, and the Fit Me foundation was in shade 128 Warm Nude. So just taking like a little bit just to give like a highlighting effect, and a little bit around the cheeks to give my cheeks a really chiseled look. I do like to take it off the lid so that that kind of makes my eye shadow pop a little more. So this is blend. Right, it looks how highlighted and nice. And yep. Now just taking some loose powder from Contouing in the shade, this is number 15 Light, and we are just going to put it under the eyes, just under the eyes. I do not like to take it any further than the eyes. Just like a little bit, and I'm not making, I'm just pressing it inside for the concealer to get set without much issues. Right, this is good, this is fine. So let's contour. And I am taking a cream contour now. I have not put compact in there, so I'm just going to take a cream contour. Why am I shaking this? Cream contour makes my face look more chiseled than it really is. That's why I love the cream contour. Now I am taking a brush. I'm taking a brush from Miso. It is actually an eyeshadow brush, but I like it for buffing stuff because it is like thicker for an eyeshadow, but like literally perfect for the face. So we are going to blend. Right, this is good, this is nice. Right, so far so nice. Now I'm just going to take a compact, take a brush, go through the compact and put it all across the face because we need some mattness and shaping. I want to pat everything down. Okay, also I forgot blush. Let's do blush first and then we'll move into the compact so that blush can be like put into it better. And I'm taking this one from WetnWild, putting it on the cheeks. Not necessarily the apples of the cheeks because, you know, like I like to take it like all across this area, so you know that gives me a more natural flush to me than actually looking like a clown. This highlighter and then we will just set the face. So I am actually, I'll keep the highlighter for the last. You know, once I'm done with the eye makeup, then we move into the highlighter. So look, let's quickly jump into the eye makeup. Then let me put the patches and then I'll turn. So for today's look, I am going in with this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Gel Crayon 24 Hours Waterproof in the shade Teal. Maybe the sticker is just off. So I'm going to do like a Teal Smokey eye. So let's start off with this pencil itself and I'm just putting it all across the lash line. We're going to take it all through the lid, then blending it and everything, and yeah, let's just do that. Okay, I'm just putting it very lightly with a very light hand, and right off the bat you can see it has a lot of pigment. It's really nice and the price is also very nice, so it's good. So I've taken it in sort of a wing shape. Let's just blend this out. Okay, so this is how it is so far. Now I need to decide another color that I can put it in the crease to make it look a little smokier. Shall I go for like a black or, you know, like a brown? I don't know, a blue maybe. I think I should go for a brown or a black, or I don't know. I'll go for brown. Brown it is. So I am taking the Mocha mix palette from Nicka, and we're going to take the brown color. Okay, good so far. This is so good so far. And I am now going to take, you know, like a buffing end of it, dipping into a lighter brown color, and we are going to blend brown. To have like a transition of brown into the skin then. And now moving into the teal again, and we will just darken up the teal color so that this eye just gets perfect. Done the other eye, let us do an eyeliner, and I am using this Colossal eyeliner from Maybelline. Oh my god, I'm just losing my words. This is good. Right, now moving into the brown maybe, or I don't know, I should smudge this itself. This smudge brush, and I'm going to smudge this teal. Feel right, that is good. Now I am quickly going to take the highlighter and highlight because I feel that I need to put a highlighter on the face. So let us do it over here. Over here. I'll put like a brown lipstick because brown is the color of the look along with teal. And let me quickly fix the hair. I'll do something about the hair and I'll come back. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. I have wore like a junk choker, some junk earrings, and my hair is sort of like curled, which is fine. I mean, it looks fine, it's fine, it's fine. So yeah, that is it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.